viewers and subscribers of Stock Market Tips channel. Welcome to another video about the prediction of Nifty and Bank Nifty for 31st of March 2023. First of all, we are not SEBI registered. So before initiating our call, please discuss with your financial advisor. Before we do the markings for today, let's see what happened to Nifty and Bank Nifty in the last trading day. It's very clear Nifty followed our prediction of testing the previous day high, and later the rally was on the upside to test 17126. Regarding Bank Nifty, it's very clear it tested the zone marked in green here, and then it moved up to test 40,000. So this was the situation in the last trading day. Let's see what will happen to Nifty today. Regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, we have to remember two things. One is the global cues as well as the local cues seems to be balanced. That is, there is no strong positive news, no strong negative news. So the market is tend to set a trend today. So regarding Nifty, we predict Nifty will not break this value of 17,000. However, it will move up to test 17,256. But remember one thing, this reaching of 17,256 will not happen immediately. The market needs its own time to settle down first. So, the first 15 minutes as well as the last 15 minutes, there will be an aggressive move or there may be a lethargic move. And then after this particular time, you can see that market will be rallying to set a trend for this particular April month. So we are expecting Nifty to travel upwards to reach 17,258. Regarding Bank Nifty, so we have already marked a zone which we always say as a very popular zone for Bank Nifty. So today we have two predictions on Bank Nifty situation. One, it will be going above this particular value of 40,000 and make a move of 200 points to reach 40,200. However, it will be coming back to test our zone of 39,700. Again, testing means it will be touching, but it is not going to sustain in our green rectangle zone. Situation 2 will be breaking of this 40,000 to reach 200, later 300 points, which is nothing but 40,200, and later to 40,500 or 40,600. And remember, 40,600 is a key zone for Bank Nifty for today. So to summarize, we would say that Nifty is not going to break 17,000 and it will make its move on the upside. And Bank Nifty is going to make a move above 40,000 to reach 40,200 and later to 40,600. But remember, this is not going to happen instantly. The market needs its own time to settle, which is going to be the first 15 minutes and the last 15 minutes. And these predictions are going to work only in between these particular specified time zone. Remember, today is an important day for all the option writers because the premium will be very high and they have to make their own adjustments as well as prepare their own strategy for the month of April. So volatility will be there. So please watch the market on a confident that this particular trend is going to be set. Please initiate your call. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you a very good luck in your trading setup.